Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sade. If you're watching, if you're new to my channel, then please keep watching and subscribe to my channel. So I wanted to come to you guys. I just recently got some hair like Tuesday of this week. Of course, you know how women are. We just throw it in our head and keep it moving. So that's what I did. I ordered the hair Tuesday and I put it in the same day. So yes. This is my second time purchasing Tinashe hair, and I ordered the Malaysian Straight. I wanted to try some straight hair, so I really wanted some straight hair for some reason. I've been wearing body waves, and recently for my wedding in May, I wore their loose wave. I had ordered their loose wave, and I ordered a frontal, and then of course the 18-inch loose wave bundles, and I believe it was in Brazilian. This is my first time ever trying Malaysian hair. This hair is a little bit heavier than Brazilian hair, but I made this into a unit. I ordered a 16-inch closure and 3 bundles of 18-inch straight Malaysian hair. I always pretty much order the same length every time I buy my hair. I just like the 18-inch look, and I like all my bundles to be the same length. So I ordered that, and as you can see the difference, where the 16-inch stops. But this hair is super long. I'll show you a glimpse of it. But this hair is super long. It does not look like an 18-inch. It's very full to, top to bottom. It's very, very full. Now I'm gonna pull it to the front. I did or doubled my widths, and when I got to the top, I think I doubled the widths all the way to the top. And then when I closed it, I only had it there, just one layer. So I pretty much love this hair. I only had it in for like a couple of days, but as you can see, I just got a little snag in all my hair, but I got one string, and I don't even think it's long enough to be the whole. I'm not lying. I know a lot of people say that hair sheds whatnot, but I have not got any shedding. It might be because I didn't cut my that much. So yeah, but other than that, this hair is so freaking gorgeous. I was gonna dye it like a black color, or put a black dye to it, but I was like, nah, I'll just keep it the way it is, or I might do it the next time I take it out. But other than that, all I did was use some I used Got To Be glue on my edges, just to pull back. And then I went in and used the Ghost Bond to lay my frontal down. I only used a little bit, but then I did sew my unit on both of my sides because I wanted it to feel more secure. This unit is just a unit. I did not put a elastic band on it or anything. I bought one and I was so ready to put this hair in my head. I just did not. My hair was out. If you don't know, I am natural. My 2 years and I think it's like 8 months or something like that. So it'll be 3 years in January of next year. But you guys, I had to have my hair off about a week, and I was so ready to put it up. I love my hair. I love my natural hair, but I just want to grow it out to a good length that I'm, comfortable wearing it. And I just could, do whatever to it. So other than that, this hair is so freaking pretty. I will show you the bag that I that they sent me and everything, you know, how the bundles were wrapped up. So the bundles always come in this little baggie, and of course I put my stuff in it when I got done with it. But this is pretty much the bag that it came in, and then the lid just to show you or tell you the instructions to care for your hair. So this was around the weft or whatnot. It was attached to it, and then these are like the bags that, you know, my frontal came in this one, and then my bundles, and I don't know what the other wrapper is, but like I said, I ordered my hair, I think I ordered my hair Friday on the 2nd, and no lie, I got a confirmation that my hair was going to be ordered or be here Wednesday because we ran into Labor Day. And so happened, I think Tuesday when we went back, I was getting my hair the same day. So I got my hair on a Tuesday, and it came very quick. So freaking happy because I was like, just, you know, comment down below. Like I said, I'll do a month. You guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. I do also have a video coming up. I am going to let you guys into my braces journey. I do have rubber bands in right now, and I'll do another video on that. So stay tuned for that. And also, I'll be, you know, getting you guys a journey on that. This hair is very, very nice. I have not curled it or anything. I co-washed the hair and then brought it back and just stayed. But as you can see, I just flat ironed it and I just pressed it, and it just went back to normal. I mean, it was very, very soft. So yeah, I love this hair. So yeah, I love this hair. Like I said, please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.